Good morning, amazing Infinity family. Brothers and sisters from Infinity, welcome to Fortnight video number 13 from my side. And I'm going to talk in this video something which I learned long back, about 8 to 9 years back from my upline actually, right? And this is very, very important when you really want to build a big organization, right? Okay, long back, in about 9 years back, my upline used to tell me there's a magic figure which is called 30 actually, right? And 30 is what, and he told me you have to gun and look forward only for one figure, which is 30 actually. 30 people in the system eventually doing 30,000 BVs consistently every week for 16 weeks at least, right? And my focus was only on one thing, 30,000 BVs. Even at times before that focus, what used to happen, if a credit side is doing 25 and there's nothing happening on a cash out side, we used to give up actually, right? But when this focus came in my head, I started focusing on 30. Even if nothing is happening on a cash side, I used to push credit side from 25 to 30 because 30 was a magic figure actually, right? You know why exactly this 30 is a magic figure? I want to explain you this, right? Basically, if you focus on 30 and if you learn how to deliver consistently 30 from your working team only, right? It's a small working team of 20, 30, 40 people actually, right? And if you do that consistently for 16 weeks, first of all, let me tell you, it is not easy. You will do 30, you will come down. You will do more than 30, you will come down. But by the time you learn to do 30 consistently for 16 weeks, you will know actually how to do the business. And once you learn how to do 30, what you need to do is you just have to teach 6 people on your both side to do 30 and you start maxing out. So it's so simple. You don't have to do ever 180 on left, 180 on right. You have to do 30, learn to do 30 consistently for 16 weeks. Consistently 16 weeks in bad or good, whatever week, right? And once you learn that, you have to teach exactly the same thing to 6 more people on the left, 6 more people on the right. That may take 1 year, that may take 2 years, that may take 3 years actually, right? But ultimately, once you have 6 people on the left, 6 people on the right doing 30,000 BVs consistently again, okay, it is not about BV. It is about that learning which you have to gain while reaching to that stage actually, right? And believe me, while doing 30,000 consistently for 16 weeks, you will learn everything actually, right? And one more thing, if you're not able to do 30,000 consistently from your working team, it's an indication you still have to learn a lot. You still have to correct your mistakes, right? Do not run around to different markets. Oh, this market is not doing well, I will go to another market. You will do the same mistakes there. You will not be able to build anywhere actually, right? So best place to learn to do 30 is the market where you have already spent a lot of time. Do not run away from that market. Learn to do 30 from there only, okay, consistently for 16 weeks. And then you are ready to explore new market because you have to just duplicate the same thing over there, right? Okay, so check yourself. If you are CTC or above, right? Do you have a working team? If you have a working team, okay, of 20, 30, if you are CTC, which means you have 20 plus at least in the system. Are you doing 30 consistently actually, right? If not, are you even gunning for that? Are you even looking forward to maintain that consistency of 30? People dream big actually, right? But they don't target for small things and consistently achieve that. You know, are you crazy for that number called 30, magic number? I was crazy in the beginning and I learned to do the 30 and started duplicating that over a period of time, right? So actually max out is not 180 on left, 180 on right. Max out is when you learn how to do 30 consistently from your working team alone for 16 to 18 weeks consistently. That is a time you're actually ready to max out, okay? Max out is not 180 on left, 180 on right. It is learning how to do 30. And believe me, maximum learning come from there only, right? So are you even looking forward to do 30 consistently, okay? People have so much of clutter going on in their head. Why this is not happening, that is not happening. But ask yourself, were you ever gone crazy to do 30 every week? Or you are looking at different things always, so single 1 point focus, 30 people in the system delivering 30,000 BVs every week. Okay, and once you do that, After that, you can open new markets. You are equipped. Whether you will open or not, that is in consultation with upline, you have to decide. But you will be equipped because you learn to do 30, right? And that's what exactly you have to do in the new market as well, right? And people who are ISBs and above CTCs who have larger teams already doing 30, again, my question is, do you have a working team which is handled by you directly and you doing 30 from them actually, right? It's not. So if you are ISB, you must be having a lot of CTCs, right? If those CTCs are doing whatever, okay, they have to do their 30 separate. You have to have your working team separate and learn to do 30 from them and keep doing 30, 30, 30. Then only you will be able to add value in your teams actually, right? That's what exactly I did. When India team was big, I started coming to Dubai. From 0, I took it to 30. And then when other CTCs and ISBs started coming to support them, I started going to Kuwait, took that team to 30, 60, and then now there are many ISBs and CTCs over there. So now I don't count their achievement in my achievement. Now I'm starting a new market from next week, and I will have to go through the same journey again, what you have to go through or what I had gone through in the beginning, to do 30 from 0 in that new market. Once I learn to do 30 or I deliver 30 from there, I have to teach that same thing to one guy over there who can do 30, and from his 30, I will again separate my working team over there and do 30 again from there. So he will do 30, I will do 30, that's how exactly 60 will happen, right? And then on both the sides, I will have one person who learned to do 30 over a period of time, right? Okay. So guys, 30 is a magical figure. Go crazy, go mad. If you are CTC and above, and if you are not doing 30 from your working team, believe me, you have to learn a lot of things. That's why it is not happening, right? Okay. So please learn to do 30. That's a magical figure. 30 people in the system, 30,000 BVs for 16 to 20 weeks consistently. That should be the only goal you should have. And I'm not talking about 30 from your credit or cash out. I'm talking 30 first from your overall working organization. And then later, okay, you have to take the stronger side to 30 first and the weaker side to 30 first, which means you have 2 people doing 30 on their own, right? Okay. So again, check yourself and go for only one magical number, 30. That is a max out learning actually you will get from by doing 30 every week, okay, for 16 to 20 weeks. So this is it for this week, and believe me, if you understood this message and if you apply this, okay, believe me, you will be reaching max out faster than anyone else, and that max out will be consistent. It is not going to happen because of others' effort, because you know how to do it consistently, right? So guys, magic number 30. Go for it and achieve all your dreams. Infinity rocks, and I love you guys. Thank you.